Hi there, so in this video I'm going to talk about the sticker mode and how you can decorate your planner with stickers. So here on the left side you see that there is a planner mode and a sticker mode. If the planner mode is selected, you can work on your layout and add widgets to your template. But if you have the sticker mode selected, you can add stickers to your template and you can freely move them around on your planner. So by selecting sticker mode, the sticker panel will show up, and then from here you can search through different kinds of sticker collections. So there are, for example, astrology stickers, or we also have baby charts, or blooming season and florals, or Christmas truck and Christmas related stickers. We have a ton of different kinds of stickers, and you can click on them and then they will show up on the template. From here you can move them around, you can resize them, and then up here you can also flip them vertically, horizontally, and you can also rotate them like this. And if you have two stickers overlapping each other, like here, let's say they overlap each other like this, you can also move this first sticker to the back by clicking on down like this, or clicking on up like this. Then next to the stickers there are widgets, and these are widgets that behave like stickers, meaning that here are 5 selected widgets which you can move around on the planner. So for example, the first one's the text widget. So when you click on it, this one will show up. In the menu you can type in something new, for example, hello. And then if you click up here on the AA icon, the font panel will show up, and then from here you can select a different font. Then up here you can adjust the font. You can make it bigger or smaller. You can make it bold or thin. And you can also adjust the text spacing like this. If it is set to 0, it's back to default. Then let's go back, and next to the text widget there is a quotes widget, and the quotes widget is very similar, except that it was created to add in a quote. And if you check out the setting, you see that down below is a selection for different kinds of quotes, and we have popular quotes, or you can also search or filter for the word, let's say hope, and then all the quotes that have this word in it will show down here below, and you can select them and they will automatically apply themselves into this widget here. So you can search for popular quotes, you can search through the Bible and filter it by chapters and book. And then you can also add movie quotes, you can add quotes from the Quran, and then up here, if you want, you can also further adjust or customize the text. And then you can also add a border style. So if you click on border style, you can draw a frame around that text like this. So let's go back to the widget selection. Next to it you see is a dated widget. So this one's a simple dated widget. You can change the date in the setting. Down below you have a menu to select the date, and you can also select the styling of that dated widget as well. Then there is an online image and personal image widget. So for the online image, when you click on it, this field here will show up, and in the setting you will have to type in the widget URL. So on websites such as stocksnap.io or unsplash.com, you can search through all the images, but if you see an image you like, for example this one here, you can right click on it and then copy the image link, go back to the website and insert it into this field. So paste it in here, and then you can add that image to the planner like this. You can also change the setting to have it contain in the widget. And there you go. The last widget is a personal image widget. So when you click on it, this will show up, and then here in the settings, you can click on browse, and this will pull you up your folders from your computer, and then from here you can import your own images into the website. They all will show up down here below, and then you can click to apply the images to your template like this. And then last we have the creators. So we have some users who sent us their graphics, and you also are free to use the graphics which were submitted by our customers or users. However, you can only use them for personal use, but if you want them to use them commercially, you will have to contact them. So here are their Instagram handles. You can click on it and then message them if you want to use them commercially. But as for now, you can only use them for personal use only. So you can click on any of them and add them to your planner, and they will behave the same like all the other stickers. So this was how to work in the sticker mode. And if you have any questions, you can always message me on Instagram or Facebook, and I will always try to respond to questions as quickly as I can. Thank you, bye!